Okay, so first of all, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Right now, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. So this is our first session. So can you just give you a short introduction?
Okay, so my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering, and
Mhm.
I like to play cricket and listen to the music. That is,
Okay, in which you are?
I'm in my final year.
Okay, great. Okay, so now it's my turn. So yeah, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And if I'll talk about my qualifications, so I have also done the same engineering from computer science. And currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company for last 4 years. And simultaneously I'm running my YouTube for last 1.5 years. That's all about me. Okay, so you are in a final year. So are you getting placement opportunities?
Yeah, companies are visiting to the college, but uh, because of the recessions, uh, the companies are demanding high skills and advanced skills. So, yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes, I think I have heard this complaint from so many students who are doing this like engineering, and nowadays recession is going on, so they are just yeah, it is true, but because they are just demanding a high skill person. If they want a fresher to join their company, so they don't want a person who don't know much about the technology. They want a person who is already skilled. They should have the good amount of knowledge. If they are just demanding like you are a experienced person and you should have the knowledge of this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so are you working on those things like yes, you have to learn these things and learn these skills?
Yeah, I'm learning skills actually.
Okay, and you are working on your communication also, right?
Yeah, at the same time, I'm working on my communication skills because I would like to tell you the reason behind it. Actually, 2 months ago, I appeared in an interview, and interviewer asked questions to me in English language.
Hmm.
So I was not able to give them answer properly in English language. I was using English. Yeah, I was using both the language, Hindi and English. So I felt very bad at the time. So I thought, why should not I focus on my communication skills? It will be more better. So, and after that, I just started I started focusing on my communication skills.
Yes, yes, I can totally understand because I had also done the same things and I have faced a lot of difficulties regarding my communication skills. I was also rejected in many interviews because of communication only. So, and that time I was literally not aware about that we should learn English language and we should focus on our communication also. We were just focused on only on technology and technical things, and at that time I was not really aware that we should focus on this thing. But yes, both the things are important. If you have knowledge but you are not able to express those knowledge in the English language, because in IT sector interviews are in English language only, so you have to speak in English. So communication is also matter here.
So, ma'am, what's your job role?
I am a security engineer, like in cyber security domain.
Great.
Okay.
So, so how long have you been speaking this language? When did you start your journey?
In my office, I was speaking because we have to attend the meetings and all, so that's why. But I was not that much of fluent and also not confident enough that I can talk with anyone. So I thought like I should start working on my communication skills. So I had started my channel 1 year ago, and that from that time onwards, I'm trying to speak with different people.
Okay,
I,
so
to be honest, I had started my channel because I had to build my confidence level. Uh, Sometimes it happens you have good knowledge also, but you are not able to express because of low confidence. So that's why I thought I should work on this thing. So, and suddenly I shifted to this kind of conversational videos, like I was getting people to interact with. So I thought, I think it would be great opportunity for me if I'll talk with different people like this, then automatically we can improve our confidence.
And we will learn something new, maybe.
Yeah,
And
correct.
you also have the advantage that you get to speak in your company. You have, I think, environment to speak. So you also have advantage, I will say.
Yes, yes, you can say this, but we are not speaking all the time because nowadays I'm working from home. So it is not a kind of environment that every time I'm speaking in English. Whenever we have meetings, then only we are just speaking in
Yeah,
English language. But you
because
can say this, yes, we have a environment.
yeah, I'm saying because my brother is also a software engineer, and whenever they have a meeting, then he talk in English language. So
Mhm.
yeah,
Yes, yes, definitely. We have to speak. I think I would say that it is kind of compulsion also because all my colleagues and manager are from different state and different countries as well. So I can't speak in Hindi language. So that's why.
yeah, I can relate.
So currently you are in UP?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in Ghaziabad.
Okay, okay.
So, and I'm in my hostel right now.
Okay. And have you decided like in which field you have to go? Like in IT, we have multiple things to learn, like web development or software development or security side like this. So have you thought anything?
Yeah, I'm just preparing to be a like web developer, full stack web developer. Yeah.
Web developer. Okay, okay, got it. So you have given only one interview as of now?
Yes, ma'am. Because I'm not getting, opportunities. I don't know why. I just applied on Naukri.com also, but here is no one is like willing to interact with me. I don't know why. Because why seeing the tag of fresher, they don't like try to interact.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, you are right. It happens, and I have heard this from different students as well. Like they are just saying this thing. Um,
Um, Most of the students of my classes are also facing this problem. Actually, they have skills, but by watching the tag of fresher, companies are looking out those students.
Yes, you are right. Because you keep trying because and whenever you are just getting the opportunities and just try to just try to upload your resume and all these things, do these things because we don't know that from where you will get a call or not. And don't bother about these things like we don't have this kind of skills or something. Just try to apply on that job role also because
Yes,
sometimes they are just randomly checking the resume and now it is everything automated and they are just checking and screening your resume because using the software only. So just
yes.
try to maintain your resume in a good proper manner and see all this kind of videos and just focus on this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
in the starting it is very hard to get a job.
after that, it becomes very easy, I guess.
Yes, if you are doing any, you are in a one job and then you have to switch, so you have one option in your hand that you are currently working. And then if you will get a good opportunities from your previous job, then you can easily switch. And you can also get experience also. So that's the thing. But in fresher, it's really difficult thing to get a job, first job especially.
Especially right now in
Yes,
this
and
time.
in that time of recession, yeah. Okay, so keep continue your practice and all this. You will
So,
get
ma'am,
a
it
job
is
very soon.
holiday today.
Sorry?
It is holiday today because you are getting the time to just have conversation. I think you have work from home. That's why you are speaking.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I was doing my lunch, so I thought I can do the conversation as well.
Okay, great. So,
Oh,
ma'am, when did you join this group and how did you find this group?
I don't know who added me in that group. I literally not aware about that, but yes, I was added in the group, and I'm not really watching the messages of all the people. I just muted those. But when I get the time, so I just open my Skype, and when I see the person and I'm free, then I just do the conversation.
Yeah,
And
whoever
I
did it,
also don't get the time to do conversation on the like very frequently, so that. And now I think I'm talking with you for after 4 days, I guess. I had one certification exam, so I was preparing for that. On Sunday, I had exam.
best of luck for that
No,
and all that.
I already completed on this last Sunday, and I got
Okay.
passed. Well,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, so that's why I didn't talk with anyone because of my exam.
Okay.
And
Now
Monday
you.
it is kind of a hectic day. You already know that in company, Monday is kind of hectic day, so that's why I didn't get
After,
that time.
after almost 2 days, you goes on work, so that's why.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah, it generally happens on Monday. It is kind of busy day, but then after Tuesday and this day, it is kind of normal days like that. Okay, so can you tell me your first day of your college, how it was?
How it was. It was like quite thrilling and nervous. I was feeling very nervous at the time because I didn't go out of my village
Mm-hmm.
ever. So I came here for the first time. Uh, I came so far from the house for the first time. So actually, I was very introvert at the time, and I
Mm-hmm.
didn't talk to anyone that much. So yeah, I got to explore a lot of things right here. So yeah, it was quite good. I
Okay,
met
it,
different people. I met different people. So yeah, it was a nice experience. You can say.
okay. So it's your college is in different state or in the same state where you are
Yeah,
living?
it is in the same state.
Same state, okay. Okay. In UP itself, right? Okay,
Not so
but it
far.
is far from your home.
Not so far, but I guess 80 to 100 kilometer far away.
Okay, and that's why you are living in hostel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And I think it is hostel life is also you should experience because I haven't experienced this thing because my college and everything was near my home only. So that's why that was the reason for me that I didn't go outside till my college. And when I got my job, first job, then only I shifted to another city. Like I went to Noida, and that was my first experience that I went outside from my home. So it was kind of uh, very what can I say? Very different feeling for me that I first time I was I was visiting any other city for living purpose. But
Same here.
during the COVID, during the COVID, I came back to my hometown.
Okay. And it's the same happened with me. I also had the different feeling when I came here for the first time.
Okay, yeah, it happens. I think. Okay, but now I think it would be quite easy for you if you will get a job in different city or state because you are already living far from your parents, I guess. So that would be little easy for you.
It will be manageable, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much for having this session and have a great day.
Yeah. Thanks to you too. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.